Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing how to create a realistic looking white marble manicure just by using regular nail polish. There's no gel needed. This nail tutorial has been highly requested by you guys, so we hope you all enjoy it.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For this marble design, you'll want to paint all of your nails white. We're going to be using acetone in this design, so once the nail polish is dry, top coat all of your nails. To create the marble effect, we're going to use acetone to thin out our polish. Pour some acetone into a glass container and then dip a small bit of light gray polish into it. Quickly paint the thinned out gray polish onto the nail. Make a few thick lines with the thinned out gray polish. You want the light gray polish to look kind of hazy, so if you have any harsh lines, use a clean brush dipped in acetone to soften them. The reason it's important to top coat your nails before acetone marbling is that acetone cuts through regular polish much quicker than it eats through top coat. Adding the protective layer of top coat lets you work with the acetone without removing the white base polish. Once you're happy with the light gray, dip a darker gray polish into the acetone and use it to darken the center of your lines. Acetone marbling is one of my favorite techniques to use for marble nails, obviously, but also for things like tie-dye designs or realistic looking flames. Have you ever tried acetone marbling before? Let us know in the comments below. If you feel like you need to, you can add a little bit more light gray polish around the edges of the lines. Use white polish dipped in acetone to make sure there are no harsh edges around the gray areas. Use a clean brush dipped in acetone to blend the colors together around the edges so that you don't have any harsh lines. Use the dark gray polish to paint thin, jagged lines over top of the gray sections. Paint over most of the gray lines with black polish, but leave some parts gray to add depth. For the last step, I used a polish with gold flakes in it to add some sparkle to the design. If you don't have a top coat like this, you could also use gold foil or just apply some gold polish around the black lines. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.